Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create this bright eye makeup look. And I'm using Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette to create this look. I'm starting with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 15 Fair, and I'm generously applying it into my lids. Then I'm taking Beauty Blusher by Beauty Blender and blending my concealer. Make sure that you use damp sponge. To set it up, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I'm applying it with my damp beauty blender. To create bold Instagram brows, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in Granite and Clear Brow Gel. And first I'm starting with bright pink shade that I'm applying in my crease. I use fluffy blending brush. This shade was very pigmented and was blending very well. I use windshield wiper motion for my first transition shade. Then I'm taking purple shade and I'm applying it underneath pink shade as my second transition shade. And I'm using MORPHE E18 Brush. Make sure to take your time and blend out everything to avoid any harsh lines. This purple shade was harder to blend and I applied it several times. This is a shimmery shade and they usually work better with wet brush all over lid. Then I'm taking MIKASA E240 brush and Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer and I'm start cutting my crease. Tips on making line perfect is not to rush this process and take your time to perfect your line. Also find the right brush that is comfortable for you to use and put your elbow on a surface. Don't let it hang in the air. Also use creamy, not liquid concealer. You will perfect it with practice. Then I'm taking MAC Fix Plus spray and gorgeous turquoise shade and I start packing it into my crease. Again, take your time, especially perfecting that line. This shimmery shade was applying better with wet brush, but I had to add several coats in order to get a bright shade. Sometimes it is all about the brush that you use, so I have to play more with this palette in order to have my final review. If you cannot perfect the line, use smaller brush with better control or put glitter liner on top to cover your mistakes. After that, I'm taking a purple shade on a MORPHE E18 brush and I'm applying it into my outer corner and then blending it out. I use the same blending brush that I used at the beginning without adding any eyeshadow. After, I'm taking Too Faced Glitter Glue and NYX Cosmetics Glitter in a shade Ice and I'm applying it on top to add a little bit of glam. First, I'm applying glitter glue with a thin layer and then adding glitter on top. When working with glitter, work in small areas. Start from inner corner and start packing glitter into your lid. Get more and continue until entire lid is done. Then I usually go over again and also make sure that line is perfect. Try not to go above your line to the transition shades. Then again, go in with purple shade in my outer corner. After, I'm cleaning my under eyes with makeup wipe. I use my nail to make the line sharp. And for my lower lash line, I'm starting with pink shade that I'm applying with a MORPHE E36 brush. I'm applying it under my lower lash line from outer corner to inner corner. Then with the same brush, I'm adding purple in my outer corner and stopping halfway. Then I'm adding turquoise shades very close to my lower lashes, from the center to my outer corner. To line my waterline, I'm using Sephora Collection Long Lasting Pencil in Infinite Beige. This will make your eyes look bigger. And for my mascara, I'm using Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. I'm applying several coats to my upper and bottom lashes. I love this mascara because it gives you length, curls, and also volume, and it also separates every lash. And for my lashes, I'm using Huda Beauty lashes in a style Samantha. For my inner corners highlight, I'm using shade Winter Rose from Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in Winter Solstice. I'm also applying it under my brow bones as my brow bone highlight. And this is my final look. Let me know in the comments if you like more bright, colorful or neutral looks. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye!